There are lots of features in your My Disney Experience app that aren't related to the Genie services. Here we are sharing an overview of the features you will use most often. Other videos will walk you through specifics for things like Genie Plus, mobile ordering, and more. To access these features, open the app and click on the three small lines at the bottom right of the screen. A new screen with lots of options will appear. Let's start with Future Plans, where you can find any plans that we have already made for you. This will include resort reservations, dining reservations, and Disney Park Pass reservations. Anytime you want to get back to the main menu, you can click on the back arrow at the top, or you can click on the three lines at the bottom. Click on Virtual Queues to see if any rides are using this system when you are traveling. You can join a virtual queue on the day you plan to attend a park. Here you can also see instructions on how to join a boarding group for a virtual queue. To see pictures taken by park photographers or on rides, click on Photos. If you purchased the Memory Maker, this is where you'll find your pictures to download. Sometimes there's a watermark on the photo indicating you need to activate your Memory Maker. Click on the picture and click the Activate button. If you have issues with your photos, visit the Disney PhotoPass location at the front of each park for assistance. Now let's look at Resort Hotel, where you can see your resort reservation details. Notice there are several sub-tabs at the top that are self-explanatory. You will find dining options and other features specific to your resort by scrolling across the top tabs. Scroll down to see how you can use your app to unlock your door and view your charges for your purchases you have made during your stay. This is also where you can find your room number once you receive a notification that your room is ready. This part may look different until your trip has started. A few great features you will want to utilize are found here. Click on Bus Times to see when the next bus is expected to arrive or depart from your resort. If you get lost, click on Get Directions and enter where you are and where you're going for walking directions. Click on Park Hours to see what time parks open, as well as early entry times and park hopper availability. Click on Transportation if you need information about your transportation options. If you have simple questions or issues with your stay, use the chat function to contact a cast member at your resort. This is a great feature to use to avoid waiting in line at the front desk. We recommend looking around the app to be sure you're familiar with it before you leave for your trip. Explore other app features in more detail in videos found on the Neverland Navigator page.